You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Great, great, great. Now let me just go through. Now, this is the home page of Swadhyay portal, right? Whatever you will see. Fine. So
Yes, sir.
you will find there's a link for online session, what you are using for joining the online sessions. Then these are the course objectives and course structure, where you will be getting to know about what are the course objectives. Course means marketing management is a course because you are
Yes.
into a BBA LLB as a program. So marketing management is a course. So what were the course objectives? What is the course structure? Course structure basically means the syllabus. There is an introductory video I have used, and there is a session plan that in what session what we will be covering, right? So you will find that if I just go inside the session plan, and if you go for the course structure also, so these are the course structure, right? So there
Yes,
are
sir.
on a head 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 topics. So what I presume as per the syllabus or the course structure which have been approved, we will be having 5 modules in the mid semester. So these are the 5 modules. That means the development of the concept, delivering value, satisfaction and retention, environment, consumer behavior, organizational market. These are the 5 modules which we will be trying to cover in the before the mid semester. And post mid semester, we will be going for the other 5 modules. Now, if you go through the session plan, this is a session plan which had been uploaded in your Swadhyay portal. You will find the session number and the topic which will be covered is mentioned. So say for example, we are supposed that in the first, second and third session, we will be covering the marketing development of the concept. That means this module. What were the contents and other things? These all things we will be discussing. Likewise, you will find in session 4, 5, 6, 7, we will be covering this delivering value, satisfaction, retention. That means the second module. Likewise, the session plan is mentioned. And also in this, these topics are basically, there will be 10 topics, right? If you go through the Swadhyay 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever 10 topics I have shown, the major topics, these are mentioned here, right? And inside there are contents. There are some external YouTube lectures. There are some contents which you need to go through. In my sessions, online sessions, I will not go through these contents. If you have any doubt, maybe you cannot understand one line or one word, we can discuss. But I will not go through the contents which are already uploaded in Swadhyay portal. What we will do, we will be discussing the major points with some PPT slides and some sort of discussion. So I expect all of you, which had been said in the timetable also, that you need to see the session plan because it is there in the Swadhyay portal. So you can see that, okay, this is the second session in which we will be discussing about XYZ topic. So when we will be discussing about XYZ topic, so you should plan accordingly and come prepared that, okay, ये टॉपिक का डिस्कशन होगा, ये टॉपिक का डिस्कशन होगा, ये कंटेंट हमको पढ़ के जाना चाहिए, राइट? दिस इज अ थिंग विच आई एक्सपेक्ट, सो दैट ये जो ऑनलाइन सेशंस होगा, it will be more interactive and you can ask me, I can ask you, and we can discuss and we can learn more. And marketing is a very application oriented paper. Whatever domain you talk about, whether you are in legal professional, whether you are in IT, whether you are in management, whether you are in commerce, whether you are in engineering, marketing is something which is universal. You need everywhere, you need always. So that's the reason why my request to you is that I'm saying all these basics. You also should share with your friends, and these recordings of the sessions will be also available in the Swadhyay portal. And we will be going ahead in this way. ठीक है? Any doubt, Rakhi and Manisha, until now, whatever I have said?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, okay, you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अगर हम लोग जो सेशन प्लान अपलोड किए, दिस इज अ ब्रीफ गाइडलाइन, मे बी समवे क्या हो सकता है कि 3 सेशन के जाएगा मार्केटिंग डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन 4 सेशंस एंड वी विल बी मिनिमाइजिंग इन अदर सेशन. दैट समथिंग मॉडिफिकेशन वी विल डू बेस्ड अपॉन योर क्वेरी ऑल्सो. एंड आई ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट, जैसे हम लोग IT डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रेंड्स पर भी डिस्कस किए थे, दिस इज माई वे ऑफ थिंकिंग. if you share something, we will change accordingly, so that ultimately तुम लोग को समझ में आ जाए and you score good marks and you learn marketing. ठीक है? This is the first thing which I am showing with you. The second thing is, which I have also, I request all of you, after the sessions will be over, you log into the Swadhyay portal and you go to this introduction to marketing management. This is a video lecture which I have kept in the Swadhyay portal. You go through that. Whatever I'm discussing, these are all recorded there. The second thing is, I expect all of you to participate in a discussion forum. That means हम लोग को क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे, 2 सेशन होगा, 3 सेशन होगा वीक में. This is not sufficient. Now you can call me, you know my phone number. That's a separate part. But our learning should be holistic. That means आप अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, आप हमको कॉल करके पूछेंगे, then I will answer you. The others will not be in a position to learn. So we will be using this discussion forum actively, and we will be introducing or allocating some marks also. There will be a discussion topic which will be posted. If you go to your dashboard, you will find the timeline calendar, right? Which I'm just showing you. If you can you explain me what is data? तुमको इधर टाइमलाइन होगा, तुम लोग को इधर जो डिस्कशन फोरम होगा इधर दिखाई देगा. इधर अगर क्लिक करोगे, यू विल बी डायरेक्टली टेकन टू द डिस्कशन फोरम एंड यू कैन राइट. ये कैलेंडर को भी यूज करना, कुछ अगर असाइनमेंट हम दिए तुम लोग को, जो हम लोग बाद में देंगे, ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल बी देयर. And your attendance will also be taken over in this portal. Maybe within the 2 days, the attendance will be configured. So तुम लोग का क्या होगा, तुम लोग अगर Google Meet पे जो क्लास करेंगे, we will see as a faculty and we will mark your attendance here. You can also check your attendance from your Swadhyay portal. It will be integrated. So whatever we will do, we will be doing using this Swadhyay portal, online classes and all these things. So discussion forum में क्या होगा, जैसे हम एक introductory discussion forum create किए, which will be showing to you difference between selling and marketing. जिसमें तुम लोग के पास वो जब दिखाएगा, you need to give your points, you need to give your feedback that okay, this is something which you need to use. Fine. This is the second thing which I will be expecting all of you to participate. जब ये टॉपिक रेज हो जाएगा, हम तो सेलिंग मार्केटिंग कुछ टॉपिक डिस्कस नहीं किए, उसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे and accordingly we will be discussing over here, right? You can also use the chat option. There is a chat option here. If you see on the top, you will find a chat option. You click on this, you can chat with anyone, right? Your name will be shown. You can chat. You can give the contacts. You can see the faculty profiles also. Right? These are some things which you can use, and accordingly you can get. तुम लोग मोबाइल में अगर Moodle ऐप को इंस्टॉल कर लोगे, right? My request is, अच्छा, Raki is from laptop. Manisha, you are from laptop or mobile?
Sir, mobile.
Mobile, okay. राखी, तुमको भी हम बता रहे हैं, लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप से करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मोबाइल में प्ले स्टोर में जाके देयर इज अ ऐप कॉल्ड एज Moodle, MOODLE, Moodle. Moodle ऐप इंस्टॉल कर लो. पहले इंस्टॉल करने के बाद उधर तुमको मांगेगा URL देने के लिए. URL विल बी दिस, swadhyay.iujharkhand.edu.in. जो तुम लोग ऐसे ही टाइप करो, ये URL देना. उसके बाद तुम्हारा यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड जो है वो देना. Then you will be logging into this Swadhyay portal using the aspect of your मोबाइल. उसमें क्या होगा, तुम्हारा जब क्लासेस रहेगा, कुछ असाइनमेंट आया, कुछ डिस्कशन फोरम कोई फैकल्टी बोला, तुम्हारे पास ऑटोमेटिक नोटिफिकेशन आते रहेगा एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग टू नो ओके आई नीड टू सबमिट दिस, मे बी यू हैव फॉरगॉटन. जैसे गूगल कैलेंडर है, ऐसे ही इधर एक कैलेंडर, व्हाट दिस कैलेंडर इज दिस. सो व्हाटएवर वी विल बी शोइंग दैट. जैसे देखो, मेरे को ये करना है, डिस्कशन फोरम करना है, अटेंडेंस देना है, एंड सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम वाज देयर, सो आई वाज अ फैकल्टी, दैट इज so for a faculty it is showing, for you also it will be shown. So that's the best part of Swadhyay. So I request both of you, and you can communicate with your friends also, that Moodle app Play Store से download करके उसमें they can configure their own account. This is the second thing which I want to say. कोई doubt है अभी तक?
No, sir.
No ना? So this is all about Swadhyay and how we will be going ahead. Now my second question is, I am just trying to take your viewpoint, a simple viewpoint. How do you define marketing, right? See, I am just making it.
Iqbal University.
What did you understand by? What am I doing now? हम चैट बॉक्स में तुम लोग को एक लिंक दे रहे हैं, योर लिंक। तुम लोग दोनों लिंक में क्लिक करो, क्लिक करके जो क्वेश्चन हम दिखाए वो क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे पास आएगा, उसका रिस्पॉन्स दो, आंसर दो।
स्टूडेंट इज डेटा, इक्बाल यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड इज डेटा।
अगर लिंक काम नहीं करेगा तो हमको बताना। What do you understand by market?
Why? Okay. Yeah. I'm taking one more data. Female. Female and 17 age. Now student Iqbal University. I think it's creating an information. क्या है इसमें information क्या होगी अगर हम इसको पूरा करें?
मिला तुम लोग को लिंक?
What information
Hello?
is creating? That
Yes, sir, I got him, but it shows the question and the option. Then-
एक क्वेश्चन है ना,
Yes,
हाँ, वो क्वेश्चन जो व्हाट डू मीन बाय मार्केटिंग आया तुम लोग के पास क्वेश्चन,
her age is 17.
व्हाट डू अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू गिव आंसर इन सम वर्ड्स, 2 to 3 वर्ड्स, ज्यादा मत लिखो, यू डोंट राइट अ सेंटेंस और समथिंग, यू कैन नॉट राइट मार्केटिंग।
there is no option.
Now,
Rakhi, I am not getting you. There is
whose name is
No option to write.
The age is 17.
no option is coming.
No option. There is an option called something.
When I combine all
Okay,
the
एक मिनट, एक
facts
मिनट,
and
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, what am I doing? Wait.
ठीक है, हर एक चीज जैसे
अभी देखो तो।
फैक्ट्स हो गया, फीमेल फैक्ट्स हो गया, 17 फिगर हो गया, BCA फैक्ट्स
अभी देखो।
थर्ड
Yes, sir, आया है।
ठीक है, अब हम
आया है ना? ठीक है, लिखो।
ठीक है, कंबाइन करना है, ठीक है, एंड देन इट इज
2-3 वर्ड में आंसर देना।
It is giving me the information. It is giving me the information. Some information. कुछ तो हम यहाँ से pretend कर लेंगे, ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Collection of data is known as information. कह सकते हैं कि नहीं कह सकते? ठीक है, what is it? अब आपको clear हो
Okay,
गया?
I got one response. Any one of you have responded?
Yes,
Marketing
sir.
means मनीषा की, राखी तुम कर दो।
What is data? If anyone asks,
मेरा स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रहा है ना?
data is nothing.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so response whatever Manisha you have typed you can see.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
कुछ इमेज बना, कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ रही है।
राखी तुम कंप्लीट कर लो so that we can discuss.
Facts and figures, कुछ भी हो सकता है। फोन नंबर हो गया, फीमेल, या 17, या एज, या BCA, स्टूडेंट, इक्बाल, यूनिवर्सिटी, झारखंड, एनीथिंग, ठीक है। बट व्हेन वी कंबाइन दीस डेटा, जो भी हम फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स को लिए, व्हेन वी कंबाइन दीस डेटा, then the collection of data will be known as information.
राखी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
ठीक है, क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिला? That is a girl.
So based upon your 2 response, देखो मेरा स्क्रीन में 2 दिखा रहा है, that means both of you have responded. You are saying marketing means promoting, and Rakhi you have written promoting our products, so that means promoting. And you have also said marketing means selling, And they have also said it also deals with some services. Now, can I ask you, what do you mean by a product? You're saying selling of a product. I think Manisha have said that. What do you mean by a
Yes, sir.
product? Product
Sir
or
means
promoter?
any
Product
goods,
means
like any goods.
any goods is a product, right?
Yes, sir.
So it can be, how do you define goods?
The goods like
How
Colgate,
do you
any kind
define?
of furniture,
Colgate is a goods,
machinery.
right? Colgate is a
Yes, sir.
goods. Colgate is a goods. And what about a hotel service?
Sir,
The goods or not?
it,
I'm audible?
yes, sir, it's a kind of services.
Kind of services. Kind of services.
Yes, sir.
How do you distinguish between goods and services?
Sir, goods can be tangible and we can
Oh,
feel and touch, but services we can't feel and touch.
great, 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 Manisha. Rakhi, you want to add something?
So I agree with Manisha.
You agree with Manisha. I am so happy that you have said
So,
the. हाँ, Rakhi बोलो.
so product is something that a company or industry produces and sell in market.
Goods is something which is
Uh, product is something that a company produces or manufactures.
goods is not manufactured. Company never produces a goods. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Product is a combination of goods and services. Whatever Manisha and Rakhi, both of you have said, that goods are tangible in nature. Services are intangible in nature. So, what we say in management language is any output produced by the organization is services. Sorry, is समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
That means कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो आउटपुट होता है, फाइनल आउटपुट जो तैयार करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोडक्ट. A product can be either tangible or intangible. Tangible और intangible छोड़ के और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. अगर जैसे तुम टूथपेस्ट का बात बताए, you talk about laptop, you talk about mobile phone, you talk about pens, you talk about cars. These are all tangible things because you can see it, you can touch it, all these things. What is the basic definition of tangibility? But there are so many services. That means, say for example, you are a student of ICFA University, Jharkhand. What is the output which you are getting from a university or any education institution? School हो सकता है, play school हो सकता है, university institution. क्या output है?
Sir, knowledge gain करना.
Knowledge gain करना. ठीक है. या education. तो knowledge gain करना education को आप tangible बताएंगे या intangible बताएंगे?
Sir, intangible.
Whatever it is. Tangible है knowledge?
No, sir,
Can you show me?
non-tangible.
हाँ,
Intangible है.
Intangible है, ठीक है, intangible है. So that means you have taken admission in BBLLB in ICFA Jharkhand. You will study for 5 years and you will be a law graduate, BBLLB graduate. That means you will be having a degree. But if I ask you, Manisha, show me the degree BBLLB. Can you show me? You cannot show me. I say I am doctor. Can I show you my doctor? I cannot show
No,
you.
sir.
What I can show you? I can show you a paper जिसमें डिग्री लिखा हुआ है. तुम्हारा जैसे 12 तुम पास किए, तुमको ग्रेड शीट मिला, तुमको
Yes, sir.
सर्टिफिकेट मिला. दैट इज अ फिजिकल एविडेंस. दैट मीन्स ये जो सर्विस आउटपुट तैयार हो रहा है वो तुम्हारा इंटेंजिबल है. उसको हम tangible sort of बनाने के लिए वी आर मेकिंग इट, वी आर क्रिएटिंग सम tangible part. We are including some tangible part with it to make it somewhat acceptable. So this is a service. Is it clear, Rakhi and Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, if you travel in a bus or a train, you stay in a hotel, you have a bank account. These all are services, but they are also outputs of organization. So products are the output which any organization produces, and it's a combination of goods and services. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have given some answers of marketing, right? That it is selling a product, it is promoting product. I am taking these two keywords, selling and promoting. And now I am going to how I define marketing. देखो तो ये definition अच्छा लग रहा है. When the producer is someone other than the consumer, some form of exchange takes place. ये तुम लोग economics में भी you have studied.
Yes, sir.
There is a concept of producer and consumer. That means producer is one who is producing. That means the organization. Consumer
Yes,
means
sir.
the one who is consuming the services. So तुम्हारा इधर Equifinance Jharkhand is a producer. You being a student is a consumer. तुम
Yes,
अगर
sir.
फ्लाइट से एक जगह से वाई जगह जाओगे तो इंडिगो का फ्लाइट का टिकट है. इंडिगो इज अ प्रोड्यूसर and you are a consumer. You have bought a ticket and you will be going in the flight, right? And some exchange is taking place. Exchange take place हो रहा है ना? आप पैसा दे रहे
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
You have paid the
Yes,
tuition
sir.
fee. After you have paid the tuition fee, because you are taking services, you cannot get it free. So there is a tuition fee. You have paid the semester fee or tuition fee, whatever you say, and then you are getting the services from the university. Likewise, when you are traveling in a aircraft, you are buying a ticket. For buying a ticket, you are paying some money, and you can be accommodated in the seat in the ticket, right? So there is an exchange which is taking place, right? Some examples of exchange: buying a pizza, right? It's a tangible thing, but you pay. Seeing a movie, visiting the dentist. So these are all exchanges which are happening, which we are doing always. So always remember, marketing is a dual process. अगर कंज्यूमर खाली रहेगा, मार्केटिंग कभी नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर प्रोड्यूसर खाली रहेगा, मार्केटिंग कभी नहीं हो पाएगा. दोनों को ही प्रेजेंट होना पड़ेगा. मार्केटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी रहना चाहिए, दैट मींस प्रोड्यूसर, एज वेल एज कंज्यूमर को भी होना चाहिए, सो दैट exchange can take place and accordingly marketing can happen, right? So अभी तक क्लियर है? कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
Great.
No, sir.
Now we are trying to go a bit into details of marketing. तो क्या है? देखो, marketing means तुम लोग बताए थे promoting, then developing. Products are what? In order to satisfy customers, whatever we give. So what are products? Whatever I have discussed a bit earlier, it can be goods, it can be services, it can be ideas. Ideas are also part of services. Say for example, you went to see a monument and some historical monuments. You get guides. Guides तुमको बताते हैं. That's also a service. That's an idea. So ideas and other things can be clubbed together. For your easy understanding, remember products can be of two types. One is goods, tangible. One is services, intangible. Okay. And marketing is a process. What it does? It develops. Process. क्या करते हैं? It develops the product. So that means it develops the products. It promote the products. It distribute the products. Develop means तैयार करना है ना. लैपटॉप अगर तुमको सेल करना है, I am from HP. So I am a producer, I am a manufacturer. I will be selling laptops. But for selling laptops, you need to produce laptops. मेरे पास अगर लैपटॉप नहीं रहेगा, हम किसको सेल करेंगे? So that's the reason why I will be going ahead with developing the product, that is producing. मेरा प्रोडक्ट तैयार हो गया, आई हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड दैट। द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज आई नीड टू प्रमोट दैट। अच्छा, बोथ ऑफ यू हैव सेड अबाउट प्रमोशन। हाउ यू डिफाइन प्रमोट? प्रमोशन का मीनिंग क्या है राखी? राखी, प्रमोशन का मीनिंग क्या है?
Promotion means to advertise, to make people aware about our products and services and their quality.
Great, great. Manisha, you want to add something?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. That means to make people aware. I am so happy with the prompt and specific definition. Promotion means to make people aware about the product. It can be about the price, it can be about the features, it can be about the quality, whatever you have said. It can be about so many things associated with my product. That is promotion. Very good. Advertisement हो सकता है, discount दे सकता है, sales promotion इसको बोलते हैं ना कि buy one get one free. So that's also a promotion. And the last thing is distributing means HP अगर सोचेगा कि अपना फैक्ट्री में बैठ के ये लैपटॉप मेरा सेल हो जाएगा, ये कभी सेल होना पॉसिबल है?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No.
तो ये इट शुड रीच टू द कंज्यूमर्स। जैसे मेरे को अगर HP लैपटॉप चाहिए, आई विल गो फॉर ई कॉमर्स, Amazon, फ्लिपकार्ट में देखेंगे, या हम दुकान में जाएंगे, जाके देखेंगे दुकान तक HP का लैपटॉप पहुंचना चाहिए। अगर लैपटॉप नहीं पहुंचेगा, इफ इट डज नॉट रीच इन द शॉप्स, वेदर इट्स अ फिजिकल शॉप और अ वर्चुअल शॉप, ऑनलाइन शॉप, ये सेल होने का पॉसिबल नहीं है। So this is very important about distribution. So I am developing, then I am promoting, that means हम तैयार किए, उसके बाद aware किए, उसके बाद जहाँ कंज्यूमर का रिक्वायरमेंट आ रहा है, I am trying to address their queries and try to get the products delivered there. This is marketing. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, whatever I have said a bit earlier in my session, that marketing is universal. ये सब जगह है. Now you are accepting
sir.
that.
Yes,
Yes,
You
sir.
will become a legal professional. तुम legal professional बनोगे. Now when you will be a legal professional, you will practice, and you have taken internship, you have practiced, you have passed the BCI examination, you have got your registration numbers. You became a full-fledged legal professional by going through all the formalities. Then you will be fighting cases. If you don't want to be judicial, it's a different issue, but you will be fighting cases. For that, you need to have, I should not say consumers, but the persons on behalf of whom you will be fighting cases. अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई नहीं आएगा केस लेके, तुम किसके लिए फाइट करोगे? So this is the need of marketing. I am a very good organization. I make very good cars, but ultimately car हम sell ही नहीं कर पा रहे. So how good I am, it does not have any value because my products are not getting sold in the market. So that means I need to have definitely good products, but at the same time, I also need to have a process of getting the products sold in the market. Right? So I am just giving you a hint on the word selling. I have not defined what is selling, but I'm giving you a hint of the word. When I was explaining marketing, I was giving you a hint of the word selling. We will come back in details about selling a bit later on. Now, there are some other definitions which are there, which you can go through in the Swadhyay portal, right? So I'm just not going through. This is very important. One is the old view of marketing, the other one is the new view of marketing. I will be coming with the ages of development of marketing a bit later on. Earlier, marketing was being said that it is only about telling and selling. You can see telling and selling. That means आपको बताना है और sell करना है. Whatever you have said, you need to aware, make consumers aware, then sell. खत्म. You don't need to go for any other process. So that was the old view or the traditional view, how marketing is being defined. Making a sale means telling and selling. Communicate करना है, उसके बाद sell करना है. Sell करना है मतलब आप कंज्यूमर से पैसा लेंगे एंड अकॉर्डिंगली विल बी गिविंग द प्रोडक्ट. So exchange is
और मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहा हूँ
But the new view of marketing is
VLC प्लेयर का मतलब
satisfying customer needs. Very important aspect is this needs. I'm coming to what is needs, want, desire, and all these things. The basic difference between these two perspectives is old view says that आपके पास अगर प्रोडक्ट है आप उसको सेल करो. कैसे सेल करोगे हमको पता नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको सेल करना है. बट न्यू व्यू ऑफ मार्केटिंग सेज आपको कंज्यूमर का नीड, जरूरत, रिक्वायरमेंट पता होना चाहिए, अकॉर्डिंगली सेल करना है. अदरवाइज you cannot be successful in the long run. Old view of marketing says it's a push approach, push. New view of marketing says it's a pull approach. Now when you go for a room and you have a automated doors, right? So you push a door and it opens, and you get up, you sometimes pull a door to close. Old view of marketing says it's a push. That means you are trying to force the customers, अरे मेरा product है आप ले लीजिए. That is an old view or the traditional view of marketing.
Yes, buttons.
It cannot give you success in the long run. So for that, you need to come ahead with the new view of marketing, which is first I need to identify कि customer क्या क्या need है, and accordingly I will place my product. That means it's a pull approach. Consumers or customers will be attracting you. अरे मेरे को तो ये जरूरत है, ये प्रोडक्ट तो मेरे लिए फायदा, so I will take this product. So that is the new or the modern view of marketing, satisfying customer needs. And old view says only telling and selling. ठीक है? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
I am just giving a very small example to make you understand this better. Say for example, you have definitely seen that insurance agents comes to your family, father, uncle, mother, whoever it is. Now, अगर हम आके आपको बताएंगे कि I want to sell you an insurance policy without making you understand कि insurance का क्या need है, तो आप लेंगे?
No, sir.
क्योंकि इतना सारा कंपनी क्यों लेंगे? आपको अगर हम पता है कि आपका ये नीड है, इसके लिए इंश्योरेंस ये नीड को सॉल्व करेगा, देन ऑटोमेटिकली automatically you will take that. So the second view is I am just giving you insurance छोड़ के, say we use markers in class as a faculty. Now हम एक मार्केट कंपनी का ओनर है या मैनेजर है या मार्केटिंग देखते हैं. से आई एम फ्रॉम कैमलिन and I came to a university or an institution or a school and I am given a very beautiful presentation about marketing. My market, मेरा मार्केट ये अच्छा है, मेरा मार्केट का फीचर अच्छा है, मेरा मार्केट का प्राइस कम है, all these things I have said. But मेरा जो प्रोस्पेक्ट था जिसको प्रेजेंटेशन दिया वो सब स्टूडेंट थे तुम लोग की तरह. जितना भी तुम लोग को मार्कर पसंद आ जाए, what do you think? You will be buying a product? You will be buying the marker? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Why?
Sir, because we have no use of that, because these are product are used by teachers and professors, and we are students.
Great. So that means उसको बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, लेकिन उसका प्राइमरी मिस्टेक क्या हो गया, वो तुम लोग को प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, जो तुम लोग को very rightly Raki say that you don't need markers. So why will you buy a marker? But अगर उतना अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं देके भी अगर वो प्रेजेंटेशन फैकल्टी या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को देते, ऑटोमेटिकली दे विल बी बाइंग बिकॉज दे विल बी नीडिंग मार्कर्स. So first वाला जो प्रेजेंटेशन दिए without understanding my target group, that is a old way of marketing, that is push. And the second one is हम टारगेट कर लिए कि मेरा मार्कर के लिए फैकल्टी चाहिए, फैकल्टी को सेल करेंगे, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को सेल करेंगे, That means I'm trying to sell this to my prospects. I'm trying to sell this to the right target group. That is a satisfying customer needs. Customer भी सोचेगा, हम भी सोचेगा, अरे मेरे को तो मार्केट चाहिए, ये मार्केट अगर हो जाएगा, तो it's good. It will be solving my problem. So that is a satisfying customer needs. So this is a shifting business paradigm which we are going through, which we are seeing that earlier it was a seller's market. It was dominated by sellers. Now it becomes a buyer's market. That means it is dominated by buyers. Buyers like you, that means consumers. Pehle sellers used to dominate. That okay, you need to do this. I am selling this. So you have studied in economics about the monopoly. So it was more like a monopoly sort of market where you are basically in an aspect of dictated by the organization. You do not have as a consumer any right to decide कि ये प्रोडक्ट खराब है, ये प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा महंगा है, ये प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा प्राइस है, ये प्रोडक्ट इतना क्वालिटी खराब है. You do not have any role for that. But in this aspect, when we are coming to this buyer's market, you are slowly understanding that aspect of that, okay, the buyers will be beneficial. I as a buyer, I am a buyer, I can dictate that what to do and what not to do. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So what will I do? I will just discuss about this need, want, demand, and I will then go to the something which I expect you to go through. You have studied about need and want in one of the subjects of your first semester, courses of your first semester. Can you tell me which course? कौन सा कोर्स में तुम लोग पढ़े?
मैनेजमेंट.
अच्छा, मैनेजमेंट इकोनॉमिक्स मैनेजमेंट में पढ़े होंगे, बट मेनली इकोनॉमिक्स. इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट व्हेन मैनेजर इकोनॉमिक्स का या माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स का शुरुआत वाला क्लास था, डिमांड, सप्लाई, faculty member have talked about need, want, demand, and all these things, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
am just highlighting very brief parts. I'm not going into details. When we talk about needs, we talk about basic needs. Basic needs are food, clothing, shelter. So if you see the need, the state of felt of deprivation, including physical, social, and individual need, first is a physical need. Food, clothing, shelter, safety. तो हम लोग पहले यही सोचते हैं, उसके बाद बाकी सोचते हैं. So the first aspect is I need to have a food so that I can survive. I need to have clothing so that I can be presentable in the society. I need to have some रहने का जाएगा. So roti, kapda, makan. These are the three basic important parts which any person under this earth thinks about at the first moment. अगर ये रोटी कपड़ा मकान है, then people talk about the next level of needs, which they call it as social needs. When we talk about social needs, we say that the needs which derives from the society. Society means हम लोग सब society में रहते हैं, हम लोग तो अकेले नहीं रहते. We are not animals. We stay in a group, in association with our family, friends, relatives, parents, neighbors, all those person. हम लोग सब मिलके रहते हैं. And हम लोग बहुत कुछ करते हैं by keeping in mind the consideration of my society. That means by keeping in consideration the aspect of what people will think, what people will not think. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना. So this is about belongingness and affection. Social needs talks about belongingness and affection. You are belonging, you will feel, अरे हम तो ये कर देंगे, लेकिन हम ये करेंगे तो मम्मी को खराब लगेगा, पापा को खराब लगेगा, भाई को खराब लगेगा. So this is a affection which you are having. Belongingness means, अरे this is my family. I am proud of my family. I am proud of my parents. Parents say I am proud of my daughter. So this is all belongingness which comes from the society. Since we stay in a group, cohesive group. Cohesive group means हम लोग सब मिलके रहते हैं. We don't stay alone like animals. So this is a social need, which is the second level of needs. The last is, and always remember, अगर physical need satisfy होगा, then people can think of social needs. अगर physical need ही satisfy नहीं हुआ, then people can never think of social needs, because it comes only अगर आपके पास रोटी कपड़ा मकान है, then only you can think of the society. अगर अपने को बचाना है ना, पहले we need to keep ourselves survive with the basic things, food, clothing and shelter, रोटी कपड़ा मकान. Then you talk about the society. And the last talks about your individual needs. That means what need is being decided by individually. It can be your learning, your knowledge, your self-expression, how you express yourself. So there comes the role of education. If you're 12 pass, if you're postgraduate, if you're graduate, if you're doctorate, if you're having this degree, if you're a law graduate, if you're not a law graduate, all these things happens after physical and social needs. A person who is staying in slums, he cannot think of high level of education because he's struggling hard to achieve the aspects of physical needs. Then comes the aspect of social needs. Then only he can think of कि हमको पढ़ाई करना है. अगर पढ़ाई करना है, कहाँ से पढ़ाई करेंगे, वो भी बात है. I will go to a government school because I don't have so much of money. He or she can never think of that, okay, I will go for a big private school, because they don't have money. Right? If they have money, then they can think of all these things. So what I mean to say is that you need to first, any person under this earth, it can be anyone, it can be the poorest of the poor of the society, it can be the richest of the rich of the society. This is fundamental. These three are fundamental. Physical needs, social needs, individual needs. First there will be physical need satisfaction, then there will be social need satisfaction, then there will be individual need satisfaction. If all these three levels are achieved, then people talk about want. Want is something which is influenced by culture and individual personality. आपका want, मेरा want अलग होगा, because our culture, our society influenced me. That is, my family influenced me. Even this is called as shaped by culture. The second perspective is, if you have sisters and brothers, for all of them, the family is same, but the want changes, because we are all individuals, so you have individual personality. So want is being explained by the aspect of culture, that means your family background and societal background, and it also talks about your individual personality, how you are there. So this is want. कोई दिक्कत है अभी तक? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, no? Fine. Now, if need and want are satisfied, then we talk about demand. Now, demand में देखो एक important word इधर है, buying power. Sorry, buying power.
As an equation.
Buying power means, can you tell me from economics language how you define buying power? Anyone?
Means purchasing capacity.
Yes, very good. Purchasing capacity or purchasing power. That means इसका meaning क्या है?
तो मतलब कि उसके पास कितना पैसा है, जैसे वो और भी अच्छा सर क्वालिटी खरीद सकता है.
Affordability, the person who can afford it.
Afford. Okay. अभी हम जो एग्जांपल दे रहे थे कि ये जो स्लम में जो बच्चा है, a child who is there, he or she can never think of going to a private school because they do not have buying power. उसके पास पैसा नहीं है. A person who is in the higher strata of the society, they can think of because they have money. Right? Say for example, I request all of you, you go after the class, you can go to Google and find out there is a company called as Mont Blanc, right? I'm just searching here to show you.
Unwanted data को वो हटा
Mont Blanc, right? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is a Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc is a luxury goods company, and they manufacture so many things, but they are mainly for luxury pens and watches. So you see the price of the pens, 47,600, 63,700, 1,30,000, 1,57,000. Now this is ultimately a pen. हम लोग कभी सोच सकते हैं कि इतना पैसा देके पेन खरीदेंगे? I don't think.
No.
I also don't think that you will also think of. So this is purchasing power. This is more like a pen. ये pen तो है ultimate because product is pen, but this is more like a aspect of a luxurious, right? When you talk about watches, so you can go to this Mobla website and you will find how much costly these are, right? So this is the various types of thing. Let me go to the website.
What we are doing,
We'll find more
we are
details.
taking the data from the
Right. Let us see Asia Pacific.
Okay. We are
Let us
taking the data
see
from the administrative section.
India
We are
कहाँ
taking
गया?
the data from the coordinator section.
इसमें तो नहीं आना चाहिए Asia
ठीक
Pacific.
है? And then we are
So
storing
let us
the
go to
data
any
at
country
some
of that
place,
sort.
and then we are evaluating that data.
Nearest to us कौन सा country होगा? देखो तो इधर.
इसमें फीस दिया है. वो है given the
सर चाइना है।
पास हो गए हैं
चाइना में नहीं जाएंगे.
ये हैं
चाइना में नहीं जाएंगे.
Philippines.
ठीक है.
चाइना में नहीं. हांगकांग जाते हैं, ठीक है?
यस सर।
नहीं, you can go China. I'm just joking.
Evaluate करने के बाद that data is spread.
You see the types of pens, right?
Sections towards administrative.
In India also you can get Mobla,
IT coordinator sections. ठीक है. और जो
change
भी
your
source
shipping
है,
country and all those things came.
उसके according
So all these things you can do. So you can read. So this just I mean to say, अगर purchasing power नहीं होगा, can you think of buying these types of pens? Say for example, watches. Watches में both of your girls. You know there is a brand called as Raga. Titan का तो नाम सुने हो?
Yes, sir.
Titan?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
किसका है Titan? कौन सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का है?
ये सारा all the
ऐसे मत टुकड़ा हो, झारखंड से हो.
ठीक है.
हिंट दे दिया.
Tata.
Hint दे दिया.
Tata company.
Tata. Great. Titan is a product of Tata. ठीक है? Now Titan का बहुत सारा variety of product series है. Now I type Titan Raga in Google, right? You're getting these Raga watches. Raga watches किस लिए है? For girls and ladies. It's a jewelry sort of watch. मतलब ये watch है. ठीक है? Let me click on this. ये watch है. But at the end of the day, ये watch खाली watch ही है. लेकिन it is a jewelry type of thing. You see, with stones and all these things. The price is 15,995. 16,000 approx. They are giving some discount. That's a different issue. So 16,000 rupees is the price of a watch. You can get a watch around at 500 rupees also. So देखो watch में कुछ नहीं है, date वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. It is only showing the time. So people who will be buying this watch, they are more concerned with the luxury aspect. So if you see the product का जो basic feature है, ये तो it will show time. It will not show anything else. But since I think, okay, I will be showcasing, I will be having a Raga watch and I will go to a party and people will see. This is called as societal acceptability. And here comes the role of this buying power. Are you getting me?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
No? अच्छा तुम लोग का क्लास कितने बजे तक है?
सर 45।
45 तक ना? Okay, great.
यस सर।
Great, I have time. Fine. So this is how you are getting the aspect of this purchasing power.
जब हम डेटा को कलेक्ट
Watches,
तो वो कुछ meaningful
sunglasses,
meaningful मुझे लगा. ठीक है. Then
pens.
Then we called it as an information. Yeah, I got it.
for you, the handbags.
If you give a number,
These are all type of products where purchasing power plays a very important role. You know Caprese? नाम सुने हो?
क्या?
ऐसे चुप रहो,
क्या है?
मार्केटिंग का क्लास करना है तो सुन, कैप्रेसी नहीं सुना। अच्छा, हैंड बैग तुम लोग लेते हो ना, वैनिटी बैग, यू टेक ना वैनिटी बैग्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राखी एंड मनीषा?
नहीं, अभी भी आप
नो सर, अभी इतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है।
अच्छा, इतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, ठीक है, इतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, बट यू समटाइम्स यूज, मे बी योर मदर्स वन यू यूज, इफ यू
Yes,
डोंट
sir.
हैव योर ओन मदर का।
Yes, sir.
नॉर्मली वैनिटी बैग का कितना प्राइस होता है, कुछ आइडिया है?
इट इज डेटा, ठीक है?
एनी आइडिया, रफ आइडिया?
Sir, 2000, 3000.
अरे वाह, मनीषा तो एकदम परचेसिंग पावर हाई है मनीषा का, 2000 3000 में चलेगा। माय गॉड, आई एम सेइंग इफ यू गो फॉर बाइंग अ अनब्रांडेड, अच्छा मनीषा यू आर इन रांची राइट?
No, sir. In West Bengal.
वेस्ट बंगाल कहाँ?
Sir, Purulia district.
पुरुलिया, ओके 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 ओके, यू आर फ्रॉम पुरुलिया मनीषा?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके ओके, लॉकडाउन है पूरा?
Yes, sir. Sir, अभी वीक में सिर्फ 2 days होता है.
2 days लॉकडाउन होता है ना, राइट
Yes,
राइट,
sir.
2 days लॉकडाउन। सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एनी, से रांची में जब अपर बाजार में जाओगे या नॉर्मल अनब्रांडेड वैनिटी बैग लोगे, you can get it at 300 rupees, 400 rupees, 500 rupees, 200 rupees, something like that. But if you talk about any brand, what Manisha have said, Caprice is a very good brand, right? You see 1795. You also see 19,500, and the original price of this bag is, let us go inside. This way it's coming. So you see, it is 19,500. The original price was 39,000. This is a what? This is a bag, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a leather bag. All these things I understand, but it's ultimately a vanity bag. So handbag. So that means they talk about the luxury. That means अगर आपके पास purchasing power होगा, this buying power अगर होगा, then only you can think of using all these aspects. Otherwise, it's not possible for anyone. Is it possible? You don't
No,
think
sir.
so, right? So this buying power is a very very important part. So once आपके पास होना चाहिए, buying power भी होना चाहिए, then only it becomes a demand. As an organization, now whatever we have discussed till now is from the consumer perspective. Now think for a moment from the organization perspective. From the organization perspective, what happens is that when you want to showcase any product, when you want to showcase any product, you need to understand कि ये जो मेरा प्रोडक्ट है ये फिजिकल नीड्स लेवल में है, सोशल नीड्स लेवल में है, इंडिविजुअल नीड्स लेवल में है, या वांट में है, कौन सा लेवल में है. Accordingly, you can decide on the selling strategy of the product, which will ultimately help you to be successful. अगर आपका डिजायर लेवल का प्रोडक्ट है तो आपको प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे बनाना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको बेसिक नीड का प्रोडक्ट है, आपको प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे ही बनाना पड़ेगा बेसिक नीड. अगर आपको इंडिविजुअल नीड का प्रोडक्ट है, देन आपको ऐसे ही प्रोडक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. सो एज अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट कौन सा लेवल को एड्रेस कर रहा है, राइट? ठीक है, फाइन.
Yes, sir.
So I expect all of you, both of you here in this case, to go through, let me go back, to go through the courses or the sessions of this first module, right? Introduction, definition and needs, wants, demand, whatever we have discussed, the theories are there. Please go through these. If you have any queries, you do ask me in the next class. ठीक है, कुछ क्वेरी है? नहीं है ना? अगर नहीं है, so I am just giving a small assignment, which I don't want you to submit initially, because any sort of assignment which we will be discussing next day, you go to Google and search AMA. I'm typing the URL on the chat box so that you can remember.
Some respective data from
American Marketing Association. मिला ना chat box पे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. American Marketing Association defines marketing in the acceptable format. So if you see, I'm just showing you the website which you will search through. देखो इधर मेंबरशिप है, ट्रेनिंग है, पब्लिकेशन है, ट्रेनिंग है, बहुत सारा। कोविड-19 के लिए व्हाट इज मार्केटिंग एंड अबाउट एम क्या करता है। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू गो टू दिस टैब व्हाट इज मार्केटिंग। इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस you will go to what is marketing, right?
You can add more.
You are getting some definition. What is marketing? Definition of marketing. Definition of marketing. Definition of brand. Types of marketing. बहुत कुछ आपको मिल रहा है, ठीक है। हम लोग इतना कुछ डिस्कस नहीं किए। मेरा कहना है खाली जो कंटेंट स्वाध्याय में देखोगे उसको एडिशनल ये जो लिंक है, हम ये लिंक इंटेंशनली नहीं दिए कि अगर ये यूआरएल में चैट कर दे मतलब पेस्ट कर देंगे तो देन यू विल गो थ्रू दिस यूआरएल ओनली। आई वांट यू टू गो टू दिस एएमए वेबसाइट, save this URL and accordingly go through the various aspects of this AMA website, mainly this definition of marketing, what is marketing में जाके ये देख के आना, so that we can discuss next day about the American Marketing Association, how they define marketing.
वो क्या information है that this is biodata of marketing.
कौन आया है?
ठीक है, अब समझ में आ रहा है, कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रहा है, ठीक है। तो
ठीक है, लेट मी सी मेरा नेक्स्ट क्लास कब है। अच्छा मेरा आज भी और एक क्लास है 2:30 to 3:30। ग्रेट,
ठीक है। उसके बाद दूसरा कंसेप्ट
सर आज तो आईपीसी का क्लास है।
नोटपैड कंसेप्ट
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये शायद 2:30 से 3:30 देख लो कैसे होगा। हम रहेंगे ऑनलाइन, अगर तुम लोग का चेंज नहीं हुआ होगा तो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट इशू, बट आज है तो उस टाइम हम लोग एएमए के लिए डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है।
यस सर,
ठीक है,
फर्स्ट में कर दो,
चलो। एनी इश्यूज यू फाउंड इन द क्लास और सब कुछ समझ में आ गया?
समझ आ गया।
समझ आ गया राखी? ठीक है ना, ओके चलो ऑल द बेस्ट। चलो आई एम क्लोजिंग द मीटिंग, यू मे लीव द मीटिंग। हाँ ओके,
मैं क्या किया, यहाँ से तुरंत कॉपी किया और सिर्फ पेस्ट करके